How to set whether your Galaxy Watch 8 will read notifications aloud or turn that off. So here's where you can go to find these settings, and let's get started. To find these settings, use the quick access like this here and go into the settings right there. Now once you're here, go down until you see notifications, this one right there. And as you go into that there, you're going to see all these different notification settings, but go down until you see the one that says advanced settings right here. And now in this area here, go down and you will see read notifications aloud, this option right here. So at default, it is turned off. And if you want, you can have it to read it briefly, read it in detail, and of course works only when headphones are connected directly to your watch and Bixby is enabled. Okay, so you'll need those two to have this working for you, but this is where you would go to either turn it off or have it read it out for you, like and so.